Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for TNPSC. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus, focusing on ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history. Prioritize topics that frequently appear in exams. This foundational step ensures you cover all necessary areas efficiently. A clear understanding of the exam pattern and important historical periods is crucial for effective preparation. Next, gather your essential study materials. Samashir Calvi textbooks from classes 6 to 12 are indispensable. As you study, create concise notes summarizing important facts, dates, and personalities. Regularly practicing with previous year question papers will familiarize you with the exam format and question types, significantly boosting your confidence. To master historical concepts, employ effective learning methods. Use timelines and maps to visualize the sequence and geographical context of events. Connect different events and personalities to build a cohesive narrative, making it easier to remember. Consistent revision of challenging topics is vital for solidifying your understanding and ensuring long-term retention. Finally, consistent revision and practice are paramount. Dedicate specific daily time slots solely for history revision. Attempt mock tests under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Crucially, analyze your mistakes from these practice tests to identify and strengthen your weak areas. This systematic approach will ensure comprehensive preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.